The eighth most common question asked by a non-Muslim is that why does Islam permit a Muslim to have non-veg food? You know, killing animal is a ruthless act. So why does Islam permit a Muslim to have non-vegetarian food? I would like to mention at the outset that a Muslim can be a very good Muslim even by being a pure vegetarian. There's no verse in the Quran, the Hadith that says it's compulsory for the Muslim to have non-veg food. But since the Quran and our Creator Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have given permission for the human beings to have non-veg, why should we not have? The Quran says in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 1, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, O you believe, fulfill your obligations and eat of the four-footed animals with the exception named. Eat of the meat of the four-footed animals with the exceptions named. Quran says in Surah Nahl, chapter number 16, verse number 5, we have created for you cattle, and from it you derive warmth and many benefits, and of the meat you can eat. Quran says in Surah Mu'minun, chapter number 23, verse number 21, that verily in the cattle is an instructive sign for you. We give you to drink from what is within the bodies, and you derive many benefits from them, and of their meat you can eat. So when Quran has given permission to have the meat of the lawful animals, then why should we Muslims not have it?